Today we're going to be discussing digital citizenship. My name is Walter Myers Jr. and this is EDS 703 Digital Age Leadership at the University of North Alabama. So we're going to select one topic related to digital citizenship that can be shared with members of the faculty, fellow system administrators, parents, students, or other appropriate groups. So by the time we finish this presentation, hopefully we have a good idea of ways to better promote technology as well as digital citizenship in the community as well as in the classroom. So what is digital citizenship? Digital citizenship refers to the responsible use of technology by anyone who uses computers, the internet, and digital devices to engage with society on any level. So there's two types of digital citizenship. In my opinion, there's good and then there's bad. So good digital citizenship for students engages them and shows them how to connect with one another, to empathize with each other and create lasting relationships through digital tools. And then there's also bad digital citizenship, which entails cyberbullying, irresponsible social media usage, and a general lack of knowledge about how to safely use the internet. So as the rate of technological advances continue to increase, the world as a whole is becoming more dependent on the internet for day-to-day activities. And I think for the most part, technology now is so much better than it was 5 years ago, so much more advanced than it was 5 years ago, and it's going to continue to get better every year. The biggest worry is, are we as teachers doing a good job of promoting digital citizenship in the right way? Are we promoting to make it safe for our students? And so this is what basically we're going to discuss within this presentation. So education leaders should play a huge part in promoting positive internet skills. Like I said, in this presentation, we're going to explore a website that I believe is a great learning tool for teachers to be able to implement for their students. So the standard that I wanted to discuss is 3.1 Equity Citizenship Advocate Standard. All right, so under this standard, it states leaders use technology to increase equity, inclusion, and digital citizenship practices to ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. And then third, model digital citizenship by critically evaluating online resources, engaging in civil discourse online, and using digital tools to contribute to positive social change. And then lastly, to cultivate responsible online behavior, including the safe, ethical, and legal use of technology. And so that last bullet is very important. And again, there's a website that I think all teachers should use, all school systems should really look into implementing, because I think it could do some very good as far as bringing awareness to our students about how to better navigate the internet. So how to promote digital citizenship, just a couple things here. All right, so digital citizenship shouldn't be a list of don'ts. It should be about the do's that help create thoughtful, empathetic digital citizens who can wrestle with the important ethical questions about technology and humanity. So a couple of these. So technology. All right, so using technology to better enhance your skills as an educator, to better enhance your skills to be more aware of what's going on, to better learn how to do something by the simple use of technology. I think students can do a lot of good by being able to utilize various types of technology. And then number two, engaging respectfully online, whether your teachers are asking you to navigate a website, being able to navigate that's going to be beneficial to you and your learning, and not getting off subject, not getting off task, and getting into something that has nothing to do with class. And then third is validation. So determining the validity of online sources of information. So I think the school system that I am a part of, I think our school system does an amazing job of making sure that students are safely being protected when they're navigating online. I think that's very, very crucial to students learning. There's so many things out there that can distract students from learning. But I think through technology, our Wi-Fi service that we have is very strict, where we only can navigate what's going to be beneficial to our students' learning. So I think, if students wanted to get off task, it's very hard for them to get off task through our internet service, because they can only get on websites that's related to academics. So through digital citizenship goes beyond conversations about personal responsibility. It's about being active citizens who see possibilities instead of problems, and opportunities instead of risk, as they curate a positive and effective digital footprint. So there's no way to really teach digital citizenship. Some teachers pull digital citizenship lessons and activities from various places to build their own course, maybe, while others prefer probably using a comprehensive digital citizenship curriculum. Sometimes you can go online through Canvas, you can navigate and find various types of digital citizenship modules or whatever. So what's a good way to practice digital literacy? Digital literacy is the practice of reading information online and understanding what it means, where it originated, and where it's accurate. Typing.com is a phenomenal website, in my opinion, that not only helps students enhance their typing skills, but it also has modules that teachers can assign to help promote digital literacy skills. I think a solid digital literacy curriculum includes learning about ethics, protecting yourself online, and even preventing cyberbullying. So we're going to take a minute and we're going to navigate typing.com. So obviously you would think this website has only to do with typing, but there's actually some modules, there's some courses in here that me as a career prep teacher, I always make it a requirement for my students to take a couple of these short, quick modules to better enhance their digital citizenship. So let's take a look at it. So I'm going to log in as a student, just kind of show you what it looks like from the student's end. So through my school system, this is part of, we don't have to pay anything. Teachers don't have to come out of pocket to pay for the courses on here. This is actually part of the curriculum at Florence High School. So we use these lessons through our Career Prep A course. So obviously what you can see here is the typing lessons. So you have various typing lessons here. So there's beginner, there's intermediate, and then there's advanced. So obviously we're not getting into the typing part of it. But right here, you're going to see where it says digital literacy. There's tech readiness, and then there's career prep. All right. So you can see there's a lot of different modules that you can click on and have your students log in and to work on. So through tech readiness, you have these, and then also when you scroll down, you have your internet basics. So this is what we talk about digital literacy. You have your surfing safety, you have your cyber safety, you have your online behavior, you have your email rules and manners, and you have your internet search. All right, so once you create your class, and I can show you that on a separate video, but you can, once you have your classes set up as a teacher, you can go in and you can monitor how well or how much your students have completed on each section. All right, so what I like to do is I like to have students go in and they complete each internet basic. And this is what we talk about promoting digital citizenship in our classroom. All right, so again, you can go to typing.com and you can create your own classroom and make it a requirement for your students to go in and complete each module on their own. And then on the teacher side of it, you can see they should be able to continue to work, take it as many times as they need to until they make a 100 on each section. Very, very good, very simple website that teachers can use in their classroom to better promote digital citizenship. Really good. Like I said, I'm not going to go through these, but it takes them through videos. And then what they have to do is they'll watch the video and then they'll be asked to do a short quiz. So as you can see here, there's a transcript used. So, if someone's having difficulty hearing, that they can follow through the transcript here. So they'll go through these transcripts. It talks about bullying, cyberbullying, keeping your social media private and all that. So it'll take you through this course, and then in the end, it's going to ask you to begin this quiz. Very easy, very simple, but it definitely gets the point across for sure. So in the end, like I said, as the digital age advances, the importance of educating students in the appropriate use of web-based tools and resources continue to grow. So this means helping students to become not just consumers, but critical consumers of online content. I think school leaders can do this by setting the expectations that students must think about the accuracy and the reliability of content they find online and become part of that. All right, so which will ensure their own cyber wellness while creating and managing the information that's out there for the future. So, like I said, thank you for watching, and hopefully we got something out of that. Thank you.